So guys, this is a photo which we gonna edit, like very moody, dark, with kind of unique color effect in the photo. So the very first thing all we're gonna do is let's just select, let's add that whole or circle png, window circle png from the links in the description, so you can just download this png from our website. Now we're gonna just add just the color effect, or the just all we're gonna do is let's just duplicate by pressing Ctrl J. Now let's just transform it. Here we are not gonna change any background, just adding foreground png to the photo. Only that thing we're gonna just do, and the rest of the color effect. Now go to the edit and select the free transform and just adjust the image if you want. Otherwise just adjust the foreground png circle or the window. Now let's just keep it somewhere over here. Now just select by pressing Ctrl key and just crop the image, this area, because we want this as our final image. So this is our final image. Now we're gonna just do some more adjustment in this photo. So go to the filter, select the camera filter and just add a contrast to the photo to get more detail and enhance the look to the photo, which will make your photos to look more and more kind of creative, and perfect details would be seen in the photo. Now let's add some kind of shadows and let's reduce little bit of highlights and increase the whiteness, decrease the black color of the image to get the perfect black dark effect in the photo. Now let's go to the HSL tab, and from here we're gonna just first of all we'll add a calibration of the blue primary color. So just change it to around -15 or 30. Now go to the hue and select the orange color and just play with the skin tone of the orange of saturation, also the hue. Just make sure that your skin tone should remain a perfect goldish orange look of the photo, which is the key point of our editing. Now if you want to add a matte effect, you can always add with the curves. Just increase from the bottom to the top, but if you don't want, then just leave it as it is and just hit OK. Now here we have almost done. Now we're gonna do some more adjustments. So just go to the adjustment layer, select the curves, and if you want to add a matte effect, you can always add it. Now we're gonna just reduce it, decrease. Now this one is looking very cool kind of, and just increase a little bit from here. This is totally up to you. If you want, you can just do this adjustment, otherwise you can just leave as it is. Now from here let's reduce the opacity of this curve or the effect to -23 or 27. Now again go to the adjustment layer, select the color balance, and from here we're gonna select two shadows and just make the shadows to kind of perfect teal greenish tone to get that perfect look, so that your photo may look amazing. So let's add a little bit of +10 or +2 or 3. Now you can see the difference is really now matching with the foreground color. Now the next thing we're gonna do is let's just add some press Ctrl L on the keyboard on this layer of the image of the window, and just make it look a little bit of brighter. So just move the cursor from right to left, and you can see the preview. Now this one is looking kind of cool. Now we're gonna just merge all the layers right click on it and select merge layers. Now go to the filter and select the camera filter and just add a little bit of temperature if it is needed to -1 to get the perfect bluish effect. Now here we're gonna add a shadows to the photo to kind of bluish, because our color is kind of that bluish tone, so we're gonna just add a shadows from here to the whole image and add a hue or the highlights of the image to kind of pinkish orange color tone. Just make a saturation to a little bit, don't add too much of. Now add a contrast, reduce highlights if you want, just a little bit would be pretty much perfect, to around -5, and just increase the shadows a little bit if you want, or you can just decrease it. This is totally up to you. You can guys also either directly apply the preset which I have already given to my website, so you can just download it for free, and you can also directly apply this preset to the photo, or else you can just play with the color effect in camera like I am doing right now. So let's add a clarity, add a sharpness to the photograph, and just hit OK. Now this one is looking kind of cool. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of videos and preset. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download free preset, and also guys follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Also guys, don't forget to visit our website, that is filterpreset.com. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video.